Before you take a cash offer on your Arizona home, I'd like you to know something important. Hi, I'm the AI digital avatar of Mark Antonowski, a licensed Arizona real estate broker with Real Broker. Mark created Express Cash Sale because homeowners deserve more than one take it or leave it offer. I know selling can come at a stressful time. Maybe the house needs work, maybe money is tight, maybe you inherited a property, or you simply need to move on. My job is not to push you into one solution, but to help you understand your choices. With me, you have three solid options. First, a cash offer. If speed and convenience matter most, I can bring you a no obligation cash offer from a vetted investor. You can sell as is, skip repairs and showings, and close in as little as 7 days. Second, cash to win through Wallick Volk. With mortgage pre approval, this may allow you to buy your next home first. Third, a traditional listing. If the open market is the better fit, I'll represent you fully for a 1.5% listing fee. Certain limitations apply. Before you decide, let's talk it through. Call me at 602-469-1111 for a free, no obligation consultation. I look forward to hearing from you and thanks for your time.